Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Tutorials, and this is Rohit Raman, and in this video we are going to learn how to install the Joomla in our local end. So in order to install the Joomla in our local end, we require XAMPP server and Joomla software. So here are the installation components which are required in order to install the Joomla in our local end, and we are going to go through them one by one. And the first one is XAMPP server. It is a cross-platform open source web server which can be used on any operating system. And the second one is MySQL, which would be our database. In order to create any dynamic website, we need to create a database. And the next one is Apache, which would be our web server. And last two P stands for the PHP and the Perl language, and we need to focus on the PHP language because Joomla is written in the PHP language. So these are the installation component, and we have discussed all the installation components which are required in order to install the Joomla in our local end. So as I mentioned earlier, in order to install the Joomla, we need to install the XAMPP server first. So after the installation of XAMPP server, we will be able to install the Joomla in our local host. So as I have already demonstrated how to install the XAMPP server in my previous video, so it is already installed in our local host, so we don't need to install it again. So we need to proceed towards the first step, which is installation or creation of database using phpMyAdmin. So let us proceed towards that. So in order to access the phpMyAdmin to create the database, we just need to open the XAMPP server. So here is the XAMPP server, and we need to start both Apache, which would be our web server, and MySQL, which would be our database. So in order to start Apache and MySQL database, we just need to click on this start button. So here you can see the message status change detected running. It means both Apache web server and MySQL database has been successfully started now. And in order to access the phpMyAdmin, we just need to click on this admin button, and we will be redirected towards the phpMyAdmin. After clicking on this admin button, we can access the phpMyAdmin. So let me do it right now. Okay, here is the phpMyAdmin, which is visible in our screen, and in order to create the database, we just need to click on this new button, which is available on the left hand side, and here we just need to write the name of the database. So I'm going to give the name, and after giving the name, we just need to click on this button, which is create. Okay, here you can see that database has been successfully created now. So after the creation of database, we need to create the user by granting all the privileges. So in order to create the user, we just need to click on the privilege menu, which is available here, and after that we need to click on the add new user, and we need to fill all the requirement information in order to create the new user. Let me enter all the information which are required in order to create the new user. So I have entered all the information which are required in order to add new user, and after adding the required information, we just need to grant all the privileges. In order to grant all the privileges, we just need to click on the checkbox which is available here, and after checking the checkbox, we need to click on the go, which is available on the below. So we have added the new user, and we have completed the first step, which is the creation of database, and second step would be to download the Joomla software from its official website. So here is the official website, download.joomla.org, from where we are going to download the Joomla's current version, and here is the information of the Joomla's current version, which is 3.8.5. and after clicking on this download button, we would be able to download the Joomla software in our local end. As I have already downloaded the Joomla software in my local end, so I don't need to download it again. So let us move towards the C drive where XAMPP folder is available. By default, XAMPP folder is always available in the C drive. Here's the XAMPP folder. We just need to double click on it. And htdoc folder where we are going to copy all the Joomla files. As I have already created the Joomla web folder in which we are going to extract the Joomla software. So here is the Joomla software and I'm going to extract it. So while the extraction is going on, I need to pause the video because it is going to take some time. So here we have extracted all the files and folder of Joomla successfully. So we have completed the second step of Joomla installation. Now we need to move towards the third step. And the third step, and it will be the final step of Joomla installation, we just need to write the localhost / Joomla web. When Joomla web is the folder where we have extracted all the files and folders of Joomla, and after writing this we just need to press enter and the Joomla configuration screen will get visible in our browser, and we just need to fill all the basic information which are required in order to configure the Joomla in our local land. As you can see, I have already filled all the information which are required to do the Joomla configuration, and these are the site name, description, and email, username, password, and confirm password. And about the email, you should always use the domain name in your email in order to avoid the spamming. So after doing all the changes, we just need to click on the next button. And the second step would be database configuration. We need to configure the database in order to make connection with the Joomla website. So here are the information which are required in order to make connection of database with the website. And as you can see, I have already filled all the information which are required to make the connection of database to the website. So after filling all the information, we just need to click on the next button. Okay, here we are going to select the default English sample data, and after that we just need to click on the installation button. As you can see, the installation is going on. While the installation is going on, I need to pause the video. So now we have installed the Joomla in our local land successfully. You can see the message displaying on our screen that congratulations, Joomla is now installed. And we need to remove the installation folder for the security purpose. So by clicking on this button, we can remove the installation folder. We can also remove the installation folder from the htdocs folder. From here we can remove the installation folder. So in this video we saw how to install the Joomla in our local land using XAMPP server. So if you have any queries related to this installation of Joomla in our local land, please do write in the comment section and I would be happy to answer all your queries. So thanks for watching, and God bless you all.